Wow, is all I have to say about today. Well, it was an up and down market day. In fact, during the trading day, that's called intraday. And we actually did reach our sell signal intraday, but at the close, we did not reach our sell signal. So we are not going to sell on Monday. Now, that doesn't mean we won't hit it on Monday, but for now, we did not reach it. Now, we've been getting calls from clients, and the way we look at it, if one client calls about something, then probably all of you are thinking the same thing. So why didn't we sell today, even though we didn't hit our sell trigger, since we're so close and it's going down like it is? Well, the reason for that is that our point of selling is not arbitrary. We didn't just invent it. It's the result of a lot of research we've done looking back over 100 years and finding the happy medium between waiting till the bottom and losing in a bear market and getting out without having a false trigger. So if you look back at 2003, 2004, we had the SARS epidemic, which, similar to what's going on now, came from China, panic around the world, markets dropping. And also 2004, SARS leading into 2004, we had the election between George Bush and John Kerry. So we had a presidential election and a viral epidemic all at the same time. And during that, the S&P got to within a fourth of a point of our sell signal, but it didn't reach it. And we did not sell back then. And after that, the market climbed quite a bit. In fact, 25% over the next 6 months. So once again, we want to adhere to the discipline that we have, the strategy that we have. So that's where we are right now. We'll have to wait and see what Monday brings. Right over the weekend, the International Monetary Fund is going to be meeting, and probably will have some stimulus that they're going to put into the system. Our Federal Reserve has said that they're looking at some stimulus, so we may see a bounce on Monday, given what the federal or the central banks around the world are going to do over the weekend with the markets closed. They're going to take advantage of that to put good news out. We think so that when the markets open on Monday, that the panic hopefully has been abated somewhat. So we'll just have to wait and see. The important thing is we don't want you to worry about this. We want to worry about it for you so that you don't have to. Okay, so we hope that that's the case. We're on it. All systems are go. If we need to get you out of the market, we will. All of our retirement planners are trained on this. Our back office people are trained on this. Everyone knows what's going on, and we will execute for you. One question that people do ask us, which since we're not selling on Monday, we can wait for the answer, but I'll give it to you now, is can we execute in one day? And the answer is yes. So the way our system works is that on the close of business, if we hit our sell signal, then the next day we sell across our equity positions. Now, should that happen, we won't be selling our bond portfolio, only our equity positions. Okay, so that's a question we've been asked. So, but for now, we're not selling anything. So I don't want to confuse the issue. We're going to wait till Monday and see what happens then. And who knows, this thing could turn like it has in the past and go up from here. And it'll be something we'll look back on like we do other times when this has happened. And by the way, about 5 weeks ago, we looked at all of the viral epidemics that we've seen going back to 1991, I believe, when AIDS was the epidemic at that time. And in all cases, our strategy worked the way we would want it to. So we have every confidence in it, and I hope that you do too. And we're going to take care of business. So again, thank you for giving us the privilege of navigating all of this for you. We hope you'll have a fantastic weekend and you won't worry about all this stuff. Don't, okay? We're going to worry about it all weekend for you, okay? So just let us do it. And we will talk soon.